how to buy sovereign wealth fund token. So this token came under the symbol of SWF. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as the code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token created 7 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. It's good, that's many investment in a safe place. This token is trending #1 in the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this token network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now I will log into my wallet first in order to buy this token. So after that, click on swap here. Make sure you have enough swap on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you're going to be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SWF token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.